Hi everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you an East Indian recipe of potato chop which was taught to me by my mother. Let's start by making the chicken mince filling. I'm using the chicken mince. You can replace the chicken by mutton mince too. To a hot pan of oil, we will add 2 medium-sized chopped onions, 1 tablespoon chili and ginger garlic paste, some chopped fresh curry leaves and 1 chopped tomato. We will saute all the vegetables till they are nice and soft. I have taken 300 grams of chicken mince. Stir and mix the chicken and close the lid and let it cook for 5 minutes. We will add all the powdered spices, half teaspoon each, turmeric powder, coriander powder, cumin powder and 1 teaspoon garam masala. Additionally, I am using 1 teaspoon red chili paste and 1 teaspoon white vinegar. I like to add 1 teaspoon barbecue sauce and 1 teaspoon tomato ketchup to the chicken mince filling. Stir occasionally and cook on low to medium flame for 10 to 15 minutes. Add salt as required. Our chicken mince filling is done. Close the lid and let it cool. I have boiled 3 large size potatoes. We will add some turmeric powder and salt to the mashed potatoes. Now we'll start making the potato chops. Take a small ball of mashed potato and flatten it with your fingers. Put in 2 to 3 spoons of minced filling. And cover to form a ball by pressing it gently. Repeat this process for the rest of the potato chops. I have taken 2 eggs and some breadcrumbs to coat the potato chops. First, we'll dip the potato chops into the egg and then coat it with the breadcrumbs. We will shallow fry it. We do not need excessive oil. You need to flip it on both the sides till you get nice and golden color. Please give this potato chops a definite try and let me know in the comment box below. Please share this recipe with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you soon in my next video.